Thank you, Mr. Speaker, sir. Mr. Speaker, sir, I rise to respond to the question asked by the honourable member. The municipal markets create economic activities, generate income for the vendors and the council, and therefore it's an important facility for the municipal councils to look after. Lautoka City Council continues to address the issues raised by the market vendors to improve the market facility wherever appropriate. Mr. Speaker, sir, the Lautoka Municipal Market has 3 structures, which consist of the main market, the bus stand market, and new wing market. The main market is the largest building and is a hall-type structure. This houses the fish market, root crops, vegetables, fruits, and handicraft stalls. The bus station market is currently accommodating the kava sellers with spice vendors, and the new market shed is similar to the main market with a roof, but retains an open-air circulation. All 3 markets have a total of 2,135 vendors. Mr. Speaker, sir, with respect to the implementation of the Lautoka Market ventilation and light project, the Council in 2019 recruited a consultant to carry out consultation and provide an appropriate concept design to improve the market lighting and ventilation. Mr. Speaker, sir, the consultant's scope is to consider a go-green building concept for natural ventilation and lighting, to take advantage of sunny weather experience throughout the year, and to use solar energy where possible. The intention is to save energy consumption and reduce operational costs in the form of electricity. The total project cost, including consultancy, is estimated to be $2.4 million, with implementation schedule of 6 months construction to complete the works. However, due to COVID, this project was put on hold. Mr. Speaker, sir, the Lautoka City Council, in the interim, provided more lighting and ventilation. For example, they've installed industrial fans, they've installed tube lights, down lights, and they've also provided 7 tarpaulins. All this was done by the Council to improve the market facility for the market vendors and the customers. The total cost of the installation of the lights and provision of tarpaulin is in the sum of $22,205. Mr. Speaker, sir, the Council has also installed CCTV cameras around and inside the market. This is to ensure that the market facility offers security to the vendors and the public. There are altogether 16 CCTV cameras installed in the market. Finally, Mr. Speaker, sir, I thank the honourable member for the question. Thank you.